Jean-So's Crazy Lab. Today's Environmental Day in Haiti. And so we will be having each of these kids that are here today be a part of the center, and they will be planting themselves and their minds and their creative minds, but also physically planting fleur soleil, which is
sunflower,
pistache, which is
peanuts,
médicien, I don't know how to say it.
Jatofa, médecien,
whatever. Alright. Anyways, point of the story is, so the point is that we're going to be learning art, we're going to be using our senses, besides planting it, we're going to be using our senses today. So what are we doing today? We're going to be taking away your sense of sight and making sure that you can use your other senses. So you're going to have to determine between feeling, is it cooler, is it heavier, try to figure out what it is that you're holding, and you'll be blindfolded to do that. Because we're talking about observation, we use other senses besides our eyes. You're going to have to use your sense of taste. So you're going to try to figure out what is it that you're tasting today, and you kind of give you a couple of clues, but we got a mystery drink. Then we're also going to be trying to test their what is it that what's going on right here in this jar? The answer, density. And then we're going to have a chemical reaction, a little bit of chemistry is going to be happening here. You're going to try to use your sense of observation. What is it that you see? Maybe water, maybe I don't know. And we'll use our secret baking soda to tell us what the heck that we're doing. And it's going to blow up just to figure that out. This is us, Jean-So's Crazy Lab, and we love you, and we'll talk to you later.